such a great time today finding the harp to wake up sleeping Minnie. What do we use to help us cross the slippery glass bridge?
The red carpet.
What did we use to put the baby bear back to sleep?
The music box.
What did we use to get the golden apple off the tree?
Safety scissors.
And what did we use to carry the golden harp back to Minnie?
That wonderful red wagon.
What a hot dog day!
Hot dog, hot diggity dog. It's a brand new day. What you waiting for? Get up, stretch out, stop on the floor. Hot dog, hot diggity dog. Hot dog, hot diggity dog. We're splitting the scene. We're full of beans. So what for now from Mickey Mouse? And the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
See you real soon!